Okay, Carla, like if to set the domain, the name servers, you would follow your website. Like if this is what we use at A1 Website Pro, GoDaddy, similar. But you want to navigate to the name server section, and you see these name servers, NS77 and 78. You would click name servers, and then you would set those accordingly. And I would tell you, if you're going to have your hosting with me, what to set those to, what those to put on. Okay. As far as Google goes, if you look at this here, you see this Google Checkout Shopping Cart. You would click on it, and you'd see you could have a product type. You could have multiple options, or multiple options with multiple prices. But if you go simple, you have that. You put in your image URL wherever. If you upload it to, I don't know. I believe you can even use Facebook or any other photo. But you put the URL in there. Put your price here, and you would have an add to cart button. You'd click create button code. Now these two, this code here will go into your where you want your product. So you would copy that, and here I have a Dreamweaver file, and you can see that this is code view and design view and body. You would just paste that section in there, and then right here, or I'm sorry, I told you wrong. Hold on. This section here, you would paste into the head section of your website, and then this bottom section here would be just before the body tag. As you can see, they give you clear instructions there. So look for the end of the body tag. You paste that in there, and you have. Let's go to live view here. You'll have a working shopping cart with you through Google. So you'll see here, we don't have a picture, but if we entered a picture, it would show up there. You click add to cart, and then people could use that, go through Google Checkout, and that's one way. Since you got the Google Merchant Checkout, you could utilize that tool. Okay, so let me know if you need any more help. This is a really good tool for, if you're just selling just a few products, trying to get rid of them. And so if you need any more help, don't be afraid to shoot me an email or give me a call. Thanks. Bye.